I am doing a demo of a collaborative mobile conference application for Android. We deployed this application at AACE e-learning conference held in October 2010. Now I will show how this application works. We log into this application with email and password. In this example, I will use email of one of the people registered the conference, phkim@stanford.edu. We verified this email by connecting to the registration database in remote conference server. We double-checked the password type twice, and those two password types should be identical. Here I'm typing password first time. And typing same password twice and login. This password is stored in our own MySQL database at Stanford, and when we log in next time, we should use the same password we picked the first time. Next, we pick the current location within the conference so that our other people can track where I am and reach me if they want. So here we have location of our reception lobby and conference session rooms and other places. Among the session rooms, there are multiple rooms, and among these, we pick the Palm Volume C. And also, the location information can be shared with everyone or no one. So we pick here everyone and go to the next. This application provides the following 6 main menus: who, program, where, about, fun, and schedule. Among these, we provide 4 of them for now: who, program, about, and schedule. Who shows the list of people who registered the conference. When we select one of the people in the list, application shows the total number of people registered on the bottom here, 691, and on the bottom. And if we long click on one of the items, it shows more details about the profile of that person. And about shows the detailed information on the conference. For example, if we select e-learn or tutorial for e-learn, it shows the tutorial program for the e-learns. The second tutorial among these, the second tutorial is ours. You will see the Sun Hyun from Stanford. If you go to the schedule, schedule shows that the entire program of the conference by date and location rooms. If we select the October 19th and conference room Palm Volume C, for example, it shows all the programs on October 19 at Palm Volume C by the time. And if we select the one of the top, it shows the detail of the presentations, about the paper presentations. And the program support the main activities presenter and participants are doing during the sessions. It has 4 activities: session, Q&A, who and where, and favorites. Session shows the conference program presented only today in current room, the location I input earlier, the Palm Volume C, because the large volume of entire program. If we select a specific talk among all the list, for example here, online orientation plus online course, blah blah blah, It shows the details on the talk, title, presenter, authors, and times and location, and abstract of the talk. We can rate each talk in the scale from 0 to 5 with 0.5 increments. So here, for example, we evaluate this talk as a 5. So whichever talk we evaluate larger than 0, so its evaluation is stored in the favorites. So it is stored by average points and show how many evaluations are made. So here our talk just evaluate online evaluation plus online course blah blah blah. Its average is 5 and total evaluation is 2. So if we select one of the list, this list, so we can see the details information of the talk as well, and then average is 5 and total evaluation 2. So here on the bottom too, we just picked average is 5 and total 2 votes as well. So question and answer provide collaborations between presenter and listeners in each session. Participants can ask questions anytime, both online and offline, and presenters can answer anytime they feel convenient too. When we click one of the questions, it also shows the profile of the questioners. For that question, we can add, show, edit, delete question and answers. For example, if we click the main menu, menu button on the bottom, we can add a question. So title, and body. Of the question and save. Now we can see the new list of questions. You see the question list that we just add. And if we long click of each question, we see the question show and answer and edit and delete of the question. If we select the questions show and answer, it shows the list of answers. It shows the question we just clicked, question body, the question title and body, and how many answers we have for this question. So if we click the answer, it shows the list of the answers for that specific question. Similarly, if we click the answers, it shows the profile of the answerer. So we can also show and edit and delete of this answer, like for example edit, like this. And then if we click the show, we see the just answer we just added. And then if we click Q&A home, it returns to the program activity main menu. It returns to the Q&A main menu, and then we can go to the program main menu. So if we click the who and where, it shows the location of the person who want to share his and her own location.